Okay, this is a quick modeling tip for when you're working with a bunch of DNA strands in SAMSON. So what I recommend is you have your selection filter set to structural nodes, and then anytime you box select anywhere on a strand, it will select the whole strand. And then what I like to do is to organize my uh, document view with subfolders. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Control Shift F to create a new folder, and I'll call it top. And then you can just drag these strands into that folder. And then if you want to like hide it to so the scene looks less busy, you can just toggle the visibility box. But then when you turn it back on, another tip, you're gonna see these little black dots, which are they're they told me they're dummy atoms, and they're used by SAMSON to I guess internally model the DNA structures. But they're very easy to hide again, so you can just select atoms and then box select them all, and in the inspector just toggle the visibility flag like that. So quick tip, happy modeling.